Okay, so the first thing, we already have the front end, the form, login form. So what I need to do now is just to have the open and end in the PHP language first, and then we will definitely need to require the database. Okay, database. All right. The next thing, when the user enter the info for the login, and then they hit the login button, right? So what we're gonna do is if set post login. So we check if the user hit the login button. If it is so, then we're gonna have the email. Okay, so we have email. Post email. Okay, remember the email here is actually from the name here when the user enter. So we got an email, and then the next thing we want to do is to check. We want to retrieve the password and the email from the database. Okay, so what we can do is just to do the we have to save the password as well. Okay, and then we're gonna retrieve from database. Okay, I have a query. PDO prepare. So what we're gonna do with the prepare is that we're gonna select all from the table. The table in our case called user, where email. Okay. All right. Next thing we want to do is to execute a query. Okay, so the query execute, and then we're gonna execute enter the email as a variable. Okay, so now that we execute the query, we will retrieve the results. We do that by create another variable called user, and then query, and then we're gonna fetch. Okay, so we're gonna fetch the information from the database. Okay, now that we have the information, now we're gonna compare the enter email and the password with the one we retrieved from a database. And we're gonna do that by saying first if password verify. We use this because we already hashed the password. Okay, so we password verify and password. Okay, which is the one that the user enter right here, and then we compare it with the password that we retrieve from the database password. All right, if it is match, all right, so that means it's successfully logged in. Okay, so if the user successfully log in, we can just redirect them to a different page. Okay, for example, I'm gonna say header, have something like location, you can just create a page called home and then redirect the user there. Else we're gonna have the error. Okay, please check your email and password again, or login fail. This should be password again. Okay, and the password will echo right here below as we did last time. Okay, so to demonstrate, I'm going to create go to the website and I'll create a new, as you see that there are no user in the database right now. Okay, so we want to create a user. Okay, okay, and example.gmail.com, and the password 123 is the password. Okay, and we could submit to register first, and your account been created. Check in the database. Okay, look good. And the password has already been hashed. Now we're gonna go to the login. All right, and we're gonna say example.gmail, and then we're gonna enter 123 as our password. Let's submit, and it will say object not found. That's because we didn't create a home page. Okay, but the system actually works. So if you look at home page, say like home.php, nothing much. Just copy the front end. Okay, and home, and this is we're gonna have something like come to the home page sample. Okay, all right, now let's do it again. So when I have the email, we have the password, and let's submit. Boom, now that we have login, it's a welcome to the home page. Now if we click, it will say like intentionally enter an incorrect one. We'll submit, and we'll say login failed, please check your email password again. If you want to make it red, then we can just go back to the login page. Alright, and say something like P, no, it's span class. Alright, let's do it again. Enter, and I set login failed, please check your emails password again. Alright, so that's pretty much for the login system. So right now we have a working register and a working login system. Basically it's very simple one, but it's some sort of complete system. Hope that you find the tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.